Pyrite is a beautiful, shiny stone that captivates the eye with its brilliant metallic luster. Often mistaken for gold due to its striking resemblance, pyrite has earned the nickname fool's gold. This mineral is found in various locations around the globe, embedded in a wide range of rock formations. Its abundance makes it one of the most common minerals on Earth. Pyrite's allure isn't just limited to its appearance. It has a rich history of use, dating back centuries. Ancient civilizations valued pyrite for its unique properties and often used it in jewelry and amulets. The stone was believed to hold protective qualities, warding off negative energies and bringing good fortune to its bearer. In addition to its historical significance, pyrite is also renowned for its metaphysical properties. It is considered a powerful stone for manifestation, helping individuals to attract wealth, abundance, and prosperity into their lives. Many people use pyrite in meditation practices to enhance their focus and determination. Beyond its spiritual uses, pyrite has practical applications as well. It is used in the production of sulfur and sulfuric acid, which are essential in various industrial processes. The stone's conductive properties also make it valuable in the field of electronics. Whether admired for its beauty, utilized for its practical benefits, or cherished for its metaphysical properties, pyrite remains a fascinating and multifaceted mineral. Its golden sheen continues to captivate and inspire, making it a treasured stone in both ancient and modern times. Pyrite is known as the wealth stone. This is because it attracts abundance. It also attracts prosperity. Pyrite helps to manifest financial wealth. Pyrite helps you to overcome financial challenges. It promotes a positive mindset. It attracts opportunities for growth. Pyrite encourages wise investments. Pyrite does not magically bring wealth. It helps you to create wealth. It does this by enhancing your creativity. It also boosts your self-confidence. But what makes pyrite so special? This golden-hued mineral, often mistaken for gold itself, has been revered for centuries. Its metallic luster and pale brass-yellow hue give it a striking resemblance to gold, earning it the nickname fool's gold. However, there's nothing foolish about the benefits it brings. Pyrite's energy is both grounding and energizing, making it a powerful tool for those looking to improve their financial situation. When you hold pyrite, you can feel its energy pulsating through your hands. This energy is believed to stimulate the flow of ideas, helping you to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to financial problems. It's not just about attracting money. It's about creating a mindset that welcomes wealth and abundance. Pyrite is also known to protect against negative energy. In the world of finance, this can mean shielding you from bad investments or financial scams. By keeping pyrite close, you can maintain a clear and focused mind, making it easier to spot opportunities and avoid pitfalls. Moreover, pyrite is said to enhance willpower and discipline. These qualities are essential for anyone looking to build and maintain wealth. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, investing in the stock market, or starting your own business, pyrite can provide the mental fortitude needed to stay the course. Incorporating pyrite into your daily routine can be as simple as carrying a small piece in your pocket or placing it on your desk. Some people even meditate with pyrite, holding it in their hands as they visualize their financial goals. The key is to use pyrite as a tool to focus your intentions and harness your inner strength. So while pyrite may not be a magical solution to financial woes, it is a powerful ally in the journey towards wealth and prosperity. By promoting creativity, confidence, and a positive mindset, pyrite helps you to take control of your financial destiny. Pyrite is not just about money. It attracts abundance in all areas. This includes love, health, and happiness. Pyrite helps you to recognize your own worth. It encourages you to pursue your dreams. Pyrite helps you to overcome self-sabotage. It promotes a sense of deserving. Pyrite reminds you that you are worthy of abundance. It helps you to align with the flow of prosperity. Pyrite helps you to believe in your own potential. But what exactly is pyrite? Often referred to as fool's gold, due to its striking resemblance to gold, pyrite is a powerful stone that has been used for centuries. Its metallic luster and pale brass-yellow hue give it a unique and captivating appearance. Beyond its visual appeal, pyrite is known for its metaphysical properties. It is a stone of action, vitality, and willpower. When you hold pyrite, you can feel its energy coursing through you, igniting your passion and drive. Pyrite is also a protective stone. It shields against negative energies and environmental pollutants. By creating a protective barrier, pyrite helps to keep your energy field clear and balanced. This allows you to focus on your goals without being bogged down by external influences. In addition to its protective qualities, pyrite is a stone of manifestation. It helps you to bring your desires into reality. By aligning your energy with the frequency of abundance, pyrite assists in attracting opportunities and resources. It encourages you to take inspired action towards your goals, knowing that you are supported by the universe. Furthermore, pyrite is a stone of confidence. It helps you to believe in yourself and your abilities. When you work with pyrite, you are reminded of your inner strength and resilience. This newfound confidence allows you to pursue your dreams with determination and courage. In summary, pyrite is a multifaceted stone that offers a wealth of benefits. From attracting abundance and prosperity to providing protection and boosting confidence, pyrite is a valuable ally on your journey towards a fulfilling and abundant life. Embrace the energy of pyrite and allow it to guide you towards your highest potential. Pyrite is a very protective stone. It shields you from negative energy. This includes electromagnetic radiation. Pyrite also protects you from negative thoughts. It helps you to stay positive and optimistic. Pyrite promotes a sense of vitality and strength. Pyrite helps you to overcome fatigue and exhaustion. It boosts your energy levels. Pyrite helps you to stay motivated and focused. There are many ways to use pyrite. You can carry it with you. You can wear it as jewelry. You can place pyrite in your home. A good place is your wealth corner. This is the southeast corner of your home. You can also meditate with pyrite. Hold it in your hand. Focus on your breath. Visualize your personal goals. Pyrite can enhance your meditation practice. It helps you to quiet your mind. It also deepens your connection to your intuition. Hold pyrite in your hand during meditation. Focus on its energy. Feel its warmth. Visualize your intentions manifesting. Pyrite helps you to access your inner wisdom. It helps you to trust your intuition. Pyrite helps you to connect with your higher self. Pyrite is a powerful stone. It is also a gentle stone. It works in harmony with your energy. It supports your journey to abundance. Pyrite reminds you of your own power. It helps you to create the life you desire. It helps you to shine brightly. Embrace the energy of pyrite. Allow it to guide you. Let it help you to manifest your dreams.